Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up online ordering through Toast to allow customers to place orders directly from your website or mobile app, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete configuration. Step 1. Log into your Toast dashboard using your admin credentials on the Toast website. Step 2. Navigate to Online Ordering in the left sidebar menu to access the online ordering setup and configuration options. Step 3. Choose your online ordering preference. You can enable Toast's built-in online ordering platform or integrate with third-party delivery services. Step 4. If using Toast online ordering, activate the feature by toggling it on. You may need to review and accept additional terms of service. Step 5. Customize your online menu by selecting which items should be available for online ordering. Some items may be in-house only and should be excluded. Step 6. Set up ordering parameters, including minimum order values, delivery radius if offering delivery, estimated prep times, and order lead times. Step 7. Configure your online ordering hours. These may differ from your restaurant's regular operating hours, so set them according to your capacity. Step 8. Add delivery fees, service charges, or tips options if applicable. Configure how these charges are calculated and displayed to customers. Step 9. Customize the appearance of your online ordering page with your restaurant's branding, including logo, colors, and banner images. Step 10. Set up payment processing for online orders. Customers can pay online at checkout, and these payments will be processed through your Toast merchant account. Step 11. Test the online ordering system by placing a test order yourself to ensure the entire flow works smoothly from order placement to payment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.